Simplify. Simplify. 2 divided by 5x plus 1 divided by 3y. Solution. We have 2 divided by 5x plus 1 divided by 3y. You can see in this type of question, the denominators are not the same. So since the denominators are not the same, then we need to find the lowest common multiples. That is LCM of 5x and 3y. That's the first thing we need to find first. So now 5x and 3y. What is the LCM? So what can we use to divide this? We can decide to use 5 first. You can use 5 first because for LCM, if you can remember in some of our previous lessons, we discussed about how we can find LCM of 2 algebraic expressions. Now, 5x divided by 5, we have x. 3y divided by 5. 5 cannot go, so you have to write it. And also, we use the next thing. We can use 3. If you use 3, what will you have? Now, x divided by 3. You still have to write x. But 3y divided by 3, what do we have? We have y. 3y divided by 3, we have y. Now, for LCM, if you can remember, you need to exhaust everything. You must exhaust everything you have there, so that you have 1 in the first column, then 1 in the second column. So we use x also. So x divided by x, we have 1. Then y divided by x. It cannot go, so you just have to write y also. Now, you have to use y also. You need to exhaust everything. So we have 1 here. Then y divided by y, we have 1. Now we have 1, 1. So it means that the LCM is the product of what we have here. Now, what is the product? LCM. If you multiply this together, what do we have? 5 times 3. What are we having? That is 15. 15 times x, 15x. Times y, we have 15xy as the LCM. Now, another thing you need to know, you can also get the LCM from here. 5x times 3y is same thing as well, 15xy. That's also the LCM, but not in all cases of questions. This is just a coincidence, whereby the product of their denominators gives you the LCM. So now, what do we need to do? We write 15xy, then going back to the main question. Now, 15xy divided by 5x. Let's start with 15 divided by 5. What are we having? 3. Then, x divided by x. What do we have? 1. So we don't have x again. We have y left. So we have 3y times, what do we have at the numerator initially? 2. Then, plus, what are we having? Now, 15xy divided by 3y. We say 15 divided by 3. What do we have? 5. 5. Now, we have x here. And y divided by y, what happened? We don't have y again, because y divided by y is going to give you 1. So we have 15x times, what do we have at numerator? Initially, 1. And this is equal to what? Simplifying further, 3y times 2, what do we have? 6y. Then plus, what are we having? 5x times 1, what do we have? 5x. Divided by what? 15xy. So you can see what we are having here. Now, 6y plus 5x, we cannot add them together because they don't have common expressions. So you can't add 6y and 5x. So the answer is 6y plus 5x divided by 15xy. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.